Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have an easy and amazing DIY skin remedy that is going to leave your skin feeling refreshed and glowing. Yes, I am talking about banana face mask. You heard it right. Bananas aren't just for snacking, but it can do wonders to your skin too. So without wasting any time, now let's move on to the video. Alright, before we begin, let's take a look what we'll need for it. So, we'll need a ripe banana, the riper, and it will be easier for you to mash it. Also, you'll need a bowl in which you can easily mash this banana and a fork through which you are going to mash this banana in this bowl. Now, it's time to create a magical face mask.
Take a ripe banana and peel it. Then place it in the bowl. With the help of a fork, start mashing the banana until you get a smooth and lumpy consistency. Now, this is where you can get creative. You can add a teaspoon of honey to the mashed banana. Honey is a natural humectant, which means it will lock in moisture and give your skin a beautiful glow. Alright, now it's time to pamper your skin. Apply the banana and honey mixture to your clean and dry face. Also avoid the eye area and focus on your cheeks, forehead and chin. Gently massage the mask onto your skin using upward circular motion. This is not only helps in applying the mask evenly but also boosts circulation.
Once you are done with this, take a moment to relax and let the mask show its magic. So once you have done with this, leave this mask on for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the time will be over, rinse it off with the lukewarm water, and after that you will be feeling refreshed and your skin might be glowing. After this, pat your face with a dry towel and you are going to see that your skin might be feeling so much refreshed. And remember to do this remedy for 2 to 3 days in a week. It is necessary to do this remedy at least 2 to 3 times in a week for more effective results, and so that your skin may glow and you may feel refreshed for this. So this is it for today. If you liked my video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be keep coming back with more such kind of videos. Bye guys, meet you in the next one.